Still manually typing data from bank statements? Let's change that. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically convert bank statements into clean structured JSON, ready for your accounting software, ERP, or database. We'll do it all using DocHorizon, a no-code platform that makes this super easy. And yes, you get a 25 euros in free credits to try it out. Let's build this together. In less than 10 minutes, your bank statements processing can be fully automated. Let's dive in. First, head to the link in the description and sign up for free on the DocHorizon platform. Just enter your email, password, and then fill in a few quick details. Your name, company, use case, expected volume, and give your project a name. Once you're done, you'll receive 25 euros in free credits to explore and start building your flow. After logging in, go to the left menu and click Project Settings, Services. Here you will want to enable two key services. Bank statements capturing to extract data from your bank statements, for example PDF, PNG, JPEG, etc. Flow Builder, this is where you create your automation. With those turned on, you're ready to go. Now let's define what data we want to extract. Go to Bank Statement Model, click New Preset, name it Bank Statements to JSON. Choose the components you want to extract. For now, just enable OCR data, which already includes key fields like account info, transactions, and balances. Click Save and your preset is ready. Now let's automate this. Go to Flow Builder, New Flow, start from scratch. Name your flow, Bank Statements to JSON. For the input source, I'm gonna use Google Drive, but select where you have your bank statements. Choose Google Drive, New File. Connect to your Google Drive account. Select the folder where your bank statements will go. Make sure to include file content. Test tab to confirm everything works. Add at least one sample file to your folder for testing. Next, capture and extract the data. Click the plus button and choose Document Capture, Bank Statement. Then configure it. Connect to DocHorizon. Select your preset, Bank Statements to JSON. In the file or URL, select New File and insert content. Now hit Test tab. This will extract the data based on the preset you created. We're ready to save the results. Let's save it as a JSON file. Add a new component, Google Drive, create new file, connect again to your Google Drive account. For file name, click on Document Capture, Components, insert bank and add .json. Then in the text window, insert components, and for parent folder, select your folder where you want to store the files. Now click Test tab, and just like that, your data is exported as a clean structured JSON file into your output folder. That's it. From uploading a PDF to getting structured JSON in seconds. No manual typing, no missed fields, no stress. And remember, you get 25 euros in free credits to test all of this out. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other workflows you want to automate next. Catch you in the next one.